G'day guys, and welcome to another episode of My Gamat's Cooks. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Today I'm going to show you how to sprout your mung beans so that you can use them in delicious salads, sandwiches, etc. So let's start and have a look over here. These are just dried mung beans that you can buy in your supermarket or grocery store. So we're going to take half a cup of mung beans, put it into a bowl and soak it for 24 hours. Cover them with plenty of water and just let them sit quietly on the kitchen counter somewhere. So it's 24 hours now since we put out half a cup of dried mung beans soaking in water, and this is how they're looking now. So they've swollen up quite a bit and increased in size quite a bit. And even if you look closely, we can see a couple are starting to sprout in there. So we'll give those a good rinse and put them into a colander. Just give them a rinse under cold water. Let them drain off a little bit. We don't want them dripping wet, so they're okay now. And we'll put those into a bowl like so, which will just catch any water that's dripping and also allow a little bit of circulation underneath. Get yourself a tea towel and just wet that, fully wet, and then wring it out. And when you've got your tea towel and it's wrung out and only moist, put it on top of the beans so that they stay damp. And then we're going to put those into a dark cupboard, just where it's out of the way and cool and dark. So I've got these down in this cupboard now, covered with the tea towel, and we'll leave those and check them tomorrow after 24 hours and see how they're going. If it's a bit warmer, you should check your tea towel and make sure that it's not getting dry, but it's cool here at the moment, so that tea towel should be alright until tomorrow, so we'll see them tomorrow about the same time. Okay Nigel, it's time to check the mung beans. Let's see if they're sprouted. So it's been a bit more than 24 hours because I've been working today. Sprouting nicely, for sure. Now you could use those as they are. And have a quick taste. Yes, very nice. But I want to let the tails get a bit longer on them yet, so I'll leave them for another day. So I'll rinse those through, make sure they're moist again on the all the way through. And I'll moisten the towel again, put that back on top, and keep it for another day. And we'll check it tomorrow on day 3. Should be well ready for use then. Okay, it's day 3 now, and I'm going to get my mung bean sprouts out of their little dark hiding spot and see how they're looking now. Should be good to go. Yeah. Nice. Okay, time to put them in the fridge in a container and start using them in salads and sandwiches and everything. So here's our little beauties. They started off as about half a cup and we've got into this large bowl now. So I'm just going to cover those and put them in the fridge, use them as I've said in salads, straight into sandwiches. They really are nice. You can just eat them raw like this. Tasty. So that's how to sprout your own mung beans. Get into it, give it a go. Very good for you. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.